PYT with the Nationals and Cardinals. All right, here we go, everybody. 6-box break. Alan Ginter, good luck. Can we get another auto? All right, so looking for rookie refractors, red autos, non-MLB spots autos. Ginter, super fun to rip. Love the minis. If you guys are interested in any more breaks, by the way, just discounted those last 15 teams in Bowman Hobby right before we started this. Dropped a link in the chat if you guys are interested. Those last 15 teams in Bowman Hobby are just discounted. If you guys have not already, also go subscribe to our Mojo Break Baseball channel and Mojo Break Media. We will be streaming tomorrow as well on Sunday if you guys are interested. Have breaks posted Sunday, June 4th. Oh, we did get orange as well. Anyways, June 4th, Sunday. If you go to the main Mojo Break, mojobreak.com website, break schedule tab, then go to June 4th. We got the schedule up for tomorrow if you guys are interested. I got another Don Russ random team. Have some Marvel as well if you guys are interested in Marvel breaks. We're going to have some more Marvel breaks tomorrow. Super excited for that. First time opening Marvel. Yeah. Yeah, I looked. There was like 8. That was like 4 hours ago probably. It's probably sold out. But if it's not, I will get into it if you guys are interested before it does sell out. Super fun product to rip if you guys are interested. Too bad Batman's not Marvel. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Luis Gil, gold, Oliva. Twins getting a gold mini out of 50. Tony Oliva. Is that he's doing optic? Patriots. Could tell Marte refractor. Rosenhaus. Drew Rosenhaus out of 150. Randy Johnson mini. Jaron Duran mini. Refractor Hernandez for the D-backs. Yanni Hernandez, D-backs refractor. Ryan Reynolds. Pirate spots. Another refractor. Yastrzemski for the Red Sox. Mini Julio Urias. Orange Matsui Hideki Boom! Hideki Matsui auto orange Yankees. AJG, congratulations. Case hit out of 25. Hideki Matsui. World Series MVP, I'm pretty sure, right? Wasn't he?
Yeah, that's a Yankees card, right?
Yep. Woo! Yankee spot. Hideki Matsui, orange out of 25. Beautiful card. Absolutely love Alan Ginter. Congratulations, JCG. Case hits. All right. Let's bring us some more luck. Gotta love it. Beautiful auto as well, I gotta say. I do have to say so myself. I remember that when he was playing too back in the day. I used to watch Derek Jeter, A-Rod. Jacob deGrom. Another orange out of 25 as well. Nick Castellanos. Philly spot. Castellanos. 24 of 25. Philly spot. Double D. Ducharme, congratulations.
You get into that lower break number 1?
Dude, honestly, I was actually thinking like I probably should have gone into it, but they're both sold out. When I was putting my schedule up, I was actually looking at it. Jeremy Pena mini. Austin Riley mini. Vlad Guerrero, Ted Williams, Sammy Sosa. Pink. Alex Verdugo for the Red Sox spot. That's out of 199. Mini Shane Baz. Thomas. I believe this is Lane. Alec Thomas. Alec Thomas refractor. Diamondbacks. All right, let's close out the first box. First box was fire. First case auto. First box auto, I mean. First box auto. Already got it. Case hit. Gotta love it. We ready. That is a crazy auto to get as well. I only pulled one other auto out of Topps Allen and Ginter. It was a Randy Johnson out of 5 actually for the Mariners spot. I think that was like PYT 5. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was PYT 5. Pulled a Randy Red. It's on my IG if you guys want to go see it. Mojo Break Jake. Just like it sounds if you guys are interested. Post most of the big hits from Mojo Break Media when we're streaming or Mojo Break Baseball on there. Big hits, little hits. Absolutely just love opening cards, you know? Dude, by the way, I probably should wrap that burrito up that we're talking about. Oh. I'll do it after this. All right, this is box 2. Good luck. Grushka mini. Who is that, by the way? Ian Grushka, musician. Kyle Schwarber mini. Matt Olson. Roger Clemens. Sheets. Gavin Sheets. Brooks Robinson. Pudge. Chris Sale refractor. Mitch Haniger. Pink coming up. Jared Kelenic should be out of 199. Mariners. And his clock is ticking, by the way. Jared Kelenic, Matt Chapman. Refractor, Garrett Cole, Yankees. Nick Londo mini. All right, let's close out that first half. Green, Honus Wagner, out of 99. Mini. Pink, Eddie Matthews, out of 199. Brave spot, Milwaukee Braves. Should be going to the Atlanta Braves. Do have a gold coming up after this Trey Turner mini. Gold. Eloy Jimenez, White Sox. Be sure, congratulations. Gold out of 50. Eloy Jimenez. Mini. Carlos Correa refractor. Boo. Shohei. Showtime. Got a blue Ricky. These are out of 150, right? Out of 150, Ricky Henderson and a Wander Franco mini. All right, let's close now box 2. Box 3 coming up. I gotta post that to the gram, to be honest, ASAP. That is going on the gram for sure. That Hideki Matsui. Only one more break scheduled on Mojo Break Baseball and Media. Actually, if you guys are interested, it's gonna be on Bowman Hobby full case, full caser of Bowman Hobby. No action. All right, box 3 coming up. Good luck, everybody. Green Charlie Blackmon, Rockies, out of 99. Charlie Blackmon. Lopez, refractor for the Blue Jays. Otto Lopez, rookie refractor. Mini. Mike Trout, mini. Jeremy Pena, rookie card. Gabriel Arias, mini. Field Yates, Sendog. There's a refractor. Sendog, mini. Malika Andrews. That's cool they got her in here. House, out of 199. Dave House, musician. Edgar Martinez. Refractor, Brownell, mini. Tatis mini, Fernando Tatis Jr., Tony Gwynn mini. Aaron Judge refractor, Osborne. Blue Irvin, Monty Irvin out of 150, Giant spot, SF Giants. Do have a gold Noah Syndergaard out of 50, Phillies. Thor, as they call him. Also got a green Jeremy Pena. That is out of 99. Nice hit. Astros. World Series MVP. Wait. I'm blanking now, actually. Hey, off the top of your head, did Yordan Alvarez or Jeremy Pena win the Astros MVP? I don't remember. I think it's Jeremy Pena, but I could be wrong. Either or. Yordan or Jeremy.
No idea.
Manny Machado refractor. Me either. Francisco Lindor mini. Yogi Berra. Xander Bogaerts. Ketel Marte refractor. There's another Jeremy Pena mini. Bobo. All right. Halfway through the break. Halfway through the break. Here we go. Box number 4. For anybody just joining us, watching the live stream, if you guys are behind it all, whatever the case is, make sure to go subscribe to our Mojo Break Baseball and Mojo Break Media page if you guys have not already. Go follow our secondary channels. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you again for everybody tuning in as well. Thank you all for tuning in.
I'll tell you what, man, your guys' attention to detail is not the same.
What are you talking about on type and stuff? Yeah. It's because that thing we were talking about earlier. I just got trained by you straight off the rip, you know? Makes sense. Here we go, box 4. Good luck. Kilo Ramos, rookie card mini. Refractor, Robin Yount, Brew Crew, Alex Verdugo. Pink, Kyle Schwarber, out of 199, Philly spot. Philly's got two nice parallels, gold and a pink. Barry Larkin, Drew Rosenhaus, got a George Brett. Bryce Harper refractor. Pulled a George Brett auto out of Donruss, by the way, earlier. That was pretty sweet. It was a redemption. Do have another break of Donruss tomorrow if you guys are interested. Random team up already. Whit Merrifield refractor. Cody Bellinger mini and a Tom Seaver. All right. Green out of 99. Rachel Balkovec, baseball coach. That's going to the all other spot. Congratulations. Oh, and we did get a goal behind it. Dang, non-MLB back-to-back hitting. After that, out of 99. Gold Malika Andrews out of 50. Sports reporter. Ginter non-MLB spot. Yeah. I don't know. No. I don't know what I'm laughing at. Out of 50, though. Congratulations. CJ Abrams mini. Carlton. Another green Castillo. Luis Castillo, Mariners. Out of 99. Honda. Blue, Willie McCovey, Giants, out of 150. Refractor, Santo. Bradley Beal mini, he's in here. Morgan, Brooks Robinson, Reggie. Roberts, rookie card. Ethan Roberts, Cubbies getting a rookie refractor. Cubbies. Murphy mini and a Balkovec. All right, that's closing out box number 4. Box 5 coming up. This is box number 5, everybody. Anybody in the chat, has anybody pulled anything crazy out of Ginter, by the way? Like I said earlier, that Randy out of 5, I think that was PYT 5. That was probably the craziest thing I got. I think I got a Willie McCovey, something SSP last time as well, something for the Giants. Always get a good amount of rookie refractors though, and just numbered parallels, golds, greens, blues, pinks. You guys can see, and oranges out of 25. Already got 2 of those. Very nice to see. See some more color in this box as well. Super fun to rip, to be honest. Super fun to rip, Ginter. All right, everybody. This is box number 5 again. Coming up. Good luck. Here we go. Blue Clement right off the bats. Ernie Clement out of 150. Got a Shane Baz mini. Charlie Sheen refractor. Gotta love it. That's for the all other spot, by the way. Sammy Sosa mini. Robbie Ray. Gave me Manny Machado mini. Harmon Killebrew refractor Twins. Ramos mini. Is that Larry Walker out of 199 Rockies pink. Junior Roy Campanella, excuse me, Brooklyn Dodgers refractor. And a Luis Robert. All right, it's closing out the half. Torres refractor. That's a Ariel Torres. Green out of 99. German Marquez Rockies out of 99. Aaron Judge. J-Rod rookie. Bradley Beal pink out of 199. Say Suzuki mini. Naher refractor, Alyssa Naher soccer player. Calrelli, Ernie Banks refractor. Red Robin Yount should be out of 5. Robin Yount, Brew Crew. Sunio, congratulations. Out of 5, Robin Yount mini. I want to get a mini superfractor one of these days. That would be sick. There we go. Robin Yount out of 5. And a Paprocki. All right, that's closing out box 5. Box number 6 coming up. That is crazy, dude. I would go nuts if I pulled a Charlie Sheen auto. Wow. So was it from just the paper? It was from the paper, Alan Ginter? Dude, did you get... That's crazy. Did you get it from, like, Target or something? I'm actually curious, because I know when you go to Target and there's some stuff, Allen and Ginter are still there. A lot of people sleep on Allen and Ginter. It's actually super fun to rip, though. I keep saying it, but... Yeah, people kind of sleep on it, to be honest. That's nuts, though. Wow. So you did get it from Target? That is crazy. And I tried to do that for so long. I remember I got a ton of Allen and Ginter blaster boxes. More gold I see. By the way, more gold. Full size. Wow. Nice. That'll be a pretty crazy one to hit too, actually. That'll be sick. For entertainment purposes. For entertainment purposes, it'll be fun. All right, this is the last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Gold. Mike Piazza. Met spot getting a Mike Piazza gold. Out of 50, Mike Piazza. Harmon Killebrew. Anthony Rendon refractor. Blue Buster Posey Giant spot. That's out of 150 for the Giants. Brady Singer, Seth Beer, Alex Verdugo, Max Fried mini. It's not Brooks, is it? Frank Robinson for the Reds refractor mini. Lou Gehrig, Cedric Mullins mini. It's Charlie Sheen again. Oh, are you for real, dude? I didn't even know he was on that checklist. That's nuts. Donovan, rookie refractor. That's crazy. What was it? Had to be something. Do you remember what it was numbered out of? John is saying he got out of Topps Archives. He got a Kevin Costner auto. That's pretty nuts. I actually opened a fair share of Topps Archives. So gold De La Cruz rookie card. Is that Brian De La Cruz Marlins spot? Congratulations, Marlins. Kaufman. This is a rookie card gold out of 50. That is nuts. Oh, years ago. Okay, that makes sense. That's pretty cool. Yeah, because the Field of Dreams thing, maybe, huh? Maybe that's why he was in it. Wow. That's pretty sweet, though, actually. I actually really love collecting just super obscure, weird autos. Walker Buehler refractor. Green, Brandon Marsh out of 99. Yeah, like if it's something weird, I want to buy it. Something you don't see every day. I would have definitely copped it. Charlie Sheen, huh? Nolan Arenado mini. Stephen Kwan. Duplass refractor. North. Pink Jacob DeGrom out of 199. Jacob DeGrom for the Mets. Spencer Torkelson mini. Otts. This is Cade. Mel Otts refractor for the Giants. All right, and that is actually going to close it out. All right, everybody, that was the break. Allen and Ginter, PYT number 8. That was 2022. Topps Allen and Ginter Chrome 6-box break. That was